Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm just hopping on because I want to talk about where to get free designs. So right now I'm in Cricut Design Space, and this is just one of 3 places that I just want to talk about today in terms of free SVG designs. So if you're in Cricut Design Space, this is my blank canvas. And you can go under your images, and depending on what type of machine you have, this might look different. But under your images, it tells you to look for under your images there is highlighted categories, and under those categories there are subcategories. Now you can look through these subcategories and see what people are looking at, what's popular, new, featured. And what I want to show you today is free. So you can go in here and see what free items there are just by scrolling through and, looking for whatever they have. But there's also another way to do it. If you also go under your images, you can type for what you want. Like we'll say Valentine. And it'll show you all the Valentine images. But if you look over here under your filters, you can click free, and now it'll sort it out so you'll only see the free ones. It'll also give you the opportunity to do your operations and your layers. So if you want it cut only or print then cut, if you wanted to do a card or something like that, you can click it, and this will again filter it out and let you know 0 print then cuts. Or 56 cut only files. So this would be cute if you were doing a wood sign or something like that. Now I know Valentine's is almost over, so just so you know, you can search a bunch of different things, get free items. If you wanted to do wood signs, cards, whatever, these items are available to you. So that's one place. The next place I want to show you is Dreaming Tree. Now I have a couple of these files, but I honestly can't remember which ones I've actually cut or not cut. So as you can see, I'm in the free SVG files, but if you go to Dreaming Tree, there's free SVG files right here at the header. And again, you can just scroll through and you see these are all free. I don't think I had to put any significant information in. Like sometimes you go to the cart and then once you put credit card or whatever in, when it's free, it just zeroes out and you don't have to put a whole lot of additional information in. But you'll see there's some really cute items here, and I will be making some of these items soon, just so I can have some new things to show people and show how to put together. Dreaming Tree pretty much has videos on each of their items, but sometimes you make things, you alter them, and you put your own spin on them. So there's a couple of things that I do want to make just for myself. So if I make them as gifts or fun things, I'll take you guys along for the ride. But I definitely know there were a couple of things. There was one I know I have, and there's another one that I think I want. And then obviously, whether it's Cricut, Dreaming Tree, or any other site, they give you these things, you can test them out, and that's the great part about it. If you, let me back up. So they give you these things, you can test them out, so you can test their files, see how it works with your machine, and see how things go together. Sometimes you buy products from certain people, and you may not like their steps or the way they go together, so you might not want to buy from them again. So this gives you the opportunity to try these things out. Now this is one I have and I want to try. I'm not sure if I got this one or not, and I definitely know there's another one that I want to try, but I don't know if I have it. Oh, this one. I can't remember if I have this, but I definitely want to try this. You guys know, if you're following me, I love high heel shoes. So this is one I really like. And I also like the little bunny guy here. So you may see me doing some of these projects in the near future. So yeah. The other thing, again, they have their categories here, and it's a bunch of other stuff. Some really cute cards and things here. So if you try these, you love them, you know, you go back and buy, you know what you like. The other thing I was going to say is these are also great opportunities to gift things to people, to volunteer, church organizations, get well cards, those type of things. So, you know, you're getting something for free and you can be able to pay it forward. All right, and last but not least, SVG cuts. Now, again, there's many more sites that have free designs, but these are just a couple I chose to highlight today. SVG cuts, they are well known for their like baseball cap hat box that people were doing a few years ago and were going crazy over. But they also have free designs. Now, SVG cuts, you can't get to their free designs from the main shop. You have to go through their blog. So it's svgcutsblog.com, and then you can access their free designs from here. But I think Mary is the owner of this site, and she has a lot of wonderful designs. Again, a lot of people know her by that hat box, but hat box is just the tip of the iceberg. She has some amazing designs. So when you get a chance, you can check her out. Again, these are things you can make and share and gift to people. But these are also things where you can test out her items, see how they get put together, and purchase from her. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys tell me, like, what are some things you want to see? What are some things you want to know more about? Let me know so I can bring you some stuff that you're interested in. Thanks. Have a great day.